Hello YouTube family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Today is Friday. I'm so excited, and I already filmed this video last night, but for some reason when I was trying to upload it, it got corrupted and I was not able to get back into it to upload it. So I had to redo the whole thing over, and that's what I'm doing now. But everything you see here has already been colored in, but other than that, we're just going to count the cash and see how much we were able to stuff today. I'm using both prop money and real money. I'm a wife, mom of 3 beautiful girls. As a family, we're on a debt-free journey to get out of debt, to save more, build wealth, and I also enjoy teaching my girls how to manage their finances. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel as well as supporting me along this journey. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Today, we are going to stuff first birthdays. So we need our special occasion / holiday binder. I have my coffee here, so please don't mind me. This is my favorite mug. It's very tall, and it also reminds me that Christmas is coming. Okay, so birthdays is getting $120 today. It actually got $120. So birthdays have 50 and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 150, 160, 170. So we are going to, it's Skylar's birthday weekend this weekend, and we are going to celebrate by going to the movies to see The Little Mermaid. I have not seen this movie yet. My girls went earlier to see The Little Mermaid, but they saw it just with no like special effects. So this time when I go to see it for the first time, we're gonna go to see it. We're gonna go see it in 3D. So I'm super excited. My daughter did enjoy, all 3 of them actually enjoyed The Little Mermaid, and I did as a kid. So I'm happy to see this version with Halle Bailey, I believe is the actress's name, and she's a singer as well. So I'm excited to go with them to celebrate Skylar's birthday, and we'll be doing some other festivities as well. She's turning 7 and she's so excited. So that's what we're doing. So let me know down below what you're doing for this weekend. Okay, and we also stuffed Christmas, even though I don't see the money. That's because we put it in a different envelope. Huh. Okay. Should be in this envelope. Wow. Okay, so Christmas, let's see. Christmas received $20 this time around. So Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So we have $90 in Christmas, and this tracker by the end I will have saved by the end of this tracker I would have saved $600, but my goal is actually to save about $1,000 for me, and then I also want to save some money for Black Friday shopping. I do have a Black Friday challenge as well that I'll be seeing if I could complete closer to the end of the year, but that's what we have so far in Christmas. So making progress. Okay, next we have I think that's it for the holiday binder, and actually holiday special occasions binder. And I wanted to mention senior year, I do plan on making a college envelope for both of my daughters, but mainly my middle daughter who just graduated from high school, not college. She just graduated from high school. And so I wanted to make her an envelope so that way if there's anything she needs for like meals, I know she's on the meal plan, but you know, sometimes they run out of things, and just essential items, I wanted to make one for her. Okay, so gifts, let's see. Gifts is here, and we put $20 in for gifts. So that will be used for my daughter's friend who has the same birthday, and we're going to her birthday party this weekend as well. So I'll be using that to get her a gift. Okay, I don't know why this is up so high. Skylar says hello, by the way. But Skylar, you'll be back because you're going to help me in a little bit. So we have the $700 savings challenge. This challenge we'll be using to put towards car maintenance. I had to start the challenge over because we needed to purchase new tires, which were very expensive. So hopefully we won't need to worry about that anymore for a long time. The car is at about 50,000 miles. So yeah, we needed to get new tires, but we ended up putting $20 into car maintenance. And so we now have 40. And I didn't want to start over the challenge. So I decided to just color in red what is the new amount that we're stuffing, because we're starting this back over, or essentially, yeah, starting it back over. And then we have the emergency fund. Okay, so I'm using the $1,000 savings challenge, not in 30 days, but this is to build towards the emergency fund past $1,000. So we currently have about, I think, close to 1,700 in it so far. But then by the end of this, we'll be just adding 1,000 to continue to grow it. We did have to dip into it at the beginning of the year. So I'm trying to rebuild it slowly but surely with this savings challenge. So yeah, I did color in $25. And the reason I was able to color in $25 is because I want to give away, yay! I was so excited. I want to give away from Deborah's Journey. Please go check out Deborah's Journey. I'll leave her information below. She has a great channel. I love her channel. She did a giveaway where she just reached 600 subscribers, but she's far past that now. But she did a giveaway. There were multiple winners, and I was one of them. So I was so surprised, and I was very excited to have won, to put $25 towards the $1,000 savings challenge. Everything was electronic, so I just transferred it over to Capital One. So it went straight into my high yield savings account. And so, yeah, thank you so much, Deborah. I really, truly am grateful that I was able to win a giveaway from you. So please check her out. You'll love her. The emergency fund has 50. Okay, I don't really want to count this, but we will. The emergency fund has 50, 20, 40, 60. Oh, I need some sort of quick. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So that's 250, 290, 270, 290, 300, 5, 10, 15, $315 that is being used to beef up the emergency fund. So emergency fund has $315 so far. I would like to complete this challenge by the end of third quarter, which I believe is September. So we'll see. Okay. Next up is Larry's Adventure. Skylar. Okay, so we colored in the 9, but we actually had $8 that we added to this challenge, because last time we did this challenge we were over by $1. So I didn't have exact change this time, so I figured it all balanced out. So let's go ahead and count how much we have so far. This money will be used for Skylar's savings, but I'm rethinking that also I would like to add some of it to the Christmas savings, because I want to kind of get that off to a great start. And Christmas is around the corner because we're almost in July. So that's your reminder. This Larry challenge is from Hands and Bands, and I actually did start it last December. This is pretty much like the 25 envelope challenge. I'll have saved 25 days worth of savings. So let's count. You ready? Say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready to turn 7?
Yes.
Okay. You ready to see the Little Mermaid?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we have 50, 100. So I also made change. Last time we had 20s and now we have 50s. So 50, 100. Okay, so now we're gonna count by tens. Ready? 110. You gonna count with me? She's not gonna count with me today. Okay, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, $171. Yay! That's a lot of money. I also wanted to start another savings challenge with her. It'll be more interactive. So we are going to be looking for other savings challenges to do that are kid friendly. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Say bye, Skylar.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Last but not least is the 100 envelope challenge. This box I am using to help physically see the money add up. We also do it virtually. So we use prop money and transfer it to our Capital One account. And by we, I mean me and my daughter. My oldest daughter is saving for her first car, and I'm helping her with this challenge. So she has been doing a great job in saving money to put towards her car. So far, this last paycheck, she transferred $93 to my account, and that was 30, 31, and 32. This box was made by Kat over at Budget with Kat. I'll leave her link below as well, which I always do. So yeah, I really enjoy seeing the money fill up physically. So that's why I stuff this with prop money, and that way it can be just a physical representation of what's in the bank. Not sure if I'm unstuff it, but we'll see. So here is the 30, 31, and 32 envelope that we colored in. And I actually forgot to mark it here. These are all supposed to be colored in. I think the markers just kind of rub off, but yeah, 30, 31, and 32. Whoop, always turn it the wrong way. And yeah, she's still doing research, but she sees that cars are very expensive, even used cars, which she was surprised about. So, but I told her that the first one doesn't have to be, because this is her first car, I told her that the first one doesn't have to have all of the bells and whistles, you know, just basically try to get something that you can get from point A to point B. So hopefully it doesn't cost an arm and a leg, but we all know in this economy that used cars are expensive, even though it's kind of starting to go down, but still. So we have some time, we're not rushing, so we're just gonna continue to save to see what we can find. She gets around, so we're not rushing to do it, but she would like the car sooner rather than later. So yeah, that's it. That's what we have going on this weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend, and leave me a comment below and let me know what your plans are this weekend if you have any. And I enjoy doing these videos, and I hope to be back very soon to stuff some more money. But until then, I wanted to say thank you so much. Stay tuned. I did win another giveaway, so I'll be doing a Happy Mail video here soon. I'm so excited. And I have some other videos lined up for you, so I hope you stick around and enjoy your weekend. Have a blessed one. Be safe and take care. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.